How to register or activate any Release Black Ice product manually without an internet connection. We are going to demonstrate manual registration during installation with the Black Ice printer driver. If the automatic registration of a Black Ice product fails during installation because the server or computer does not have an active internet connection, port 443 is being blocked by a firewall and cannot be enabled for security reasons, one can register the product manually. To manually register the product, Black Ice software sales must enable the manual registration in the Black Ice license server. Please note that once the printer driver is registered manually, the license will not be transferable to another computer. Please also note that the Black Ice software products are using a subscription-based licensing and the product has to be manually re-registered annually after the subscription is renewed. In this video, we will manually register the Black Ice ColorPlus printer driver. If the automatic registration fails during the installation process, the following window on the screen appears, and before continuing the installation, users must register the printer driver. Please select the Activate Full Version option, enter the serial number that you have received when purchasing the product in the printer driver product serial number field, and press OK. On the next window, please copy the registration number from the Your Release Registration Number field. On a computer where you have an active internet connection, navigate to the Black Ice website and in the menu, under the Support option, please click on Manual Release Registration. Please paste your copied registration number to the Enter Your Release Registration Code field, check the CAPTCHA checkbox. Complete the CAPTCHA if needed, and click on the Send button. The message on the warning window will indicate that if one registers a transferable serial on the manual registration webpage, the license will not be transferable anymore, and the license cannot be transferred to another machine. Please read and accept the terms of conditions and click on the Continue button to receive a release license number. On the next page, please copy the generated release license number, and navigate back to the computer where you want to install the printer driver. Paste the received license number to the Enter Your Release License Number you obtained from the web page field on the installer window. Click on the OK button to continue the installation. If the registration is successful, the following dialog appears. By clicking on the OK button, you can continue the installation. That's how to register the printer driver manually during installation. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, please visit www.blackice.com.